Most Volkswagen, and for that matter German cars, run diverter valves rather than blow-off valves. These simply protect the turbo by diverting the air coming in through the intake away from the turbo inlet and sending it directly into the intake manifold instead. This part feels a ton of pressure whenever you are holding max boost and will actuate when you throw in the clutch or take your foot off the gas. Combine this with the incredible increase of pressure you get by tuning the car to higher PSI, and on top of that, using a cheap stock diverter valve, and you're going to have a bad time. I'm using a 034 Motorsports diverter valve, which is a piston-style diverter valve, basically meaning it just uses a adjustable set of springs to accomplish the same goal that a stock diaphragm valve uses. This adds a lot of strength to the system. Along with being stronger, aftermarket diverter valves are generally rebuildable, meaning it'll save you money in the long term. The placement of these parts on most cars will differ, but the importance of them does not. On this Audi, this part is easy to get to and situated directly on top. You may have a single-use hose clamp holding this on initially, so be sure to have reusable ones to put in their place ready. You can take the hoses off in any order. One important thing to note is that this is a one-way valve, so make sure you note how the original is situated so that you can orient the new one just the same way. If your car runs a diverter valve stock and you want to replace it with a blow-off valve, you will need to custom tune the car for that, otherwise it won't run properly. Blow-off valves are generally louder, but when combined with an intake, diverter valves will also make fun noises.